Hey guys, today we're going to change out a kitchen faucet because the old one is leaking. First, we turn off the water shut-off valves. Open the tap to let any water out. Loosen the faucet to supply line nuts. Here I used the Ridgid Easy Change Faucet tool, but you can also use a plier, wrench, or basin wrench to do the same job. Remove the mounting nuts after they are loosened. Remove the old faucet. If you have noticed, I ran into a problem here. The middle mounting hole actually needs to be drilled out. Wrong tool. This is an impact driver. You actually need a drill. Remove the old supply line. I used the Ridgid Easy Change Faucet tool, but you can also use an adjustable wrench to do it. Put the deck plate gasket onto the deck plate, firmly snap the deck plate gasket onto the deck plate, and then place the deck plate onto the mounting surface. Install the faucet into the hole on the sink. Place the mounting bracket onto the threads of the faucet and then install the mounting nut. Use the Moen provided installation tool with a screwdriver to tighten the mounting nut. Thread the hose guide onto the end of the shank. Attach flexible supply lines to the shutoff valves. I used an adjustable wrench here, but you can also use the Ridgid Easy Change tool if you like. Install the pull-down hose through the front of the spout. From below deck, remove the plastic cap, then install the pull-down hose into the outlet hose. You should hear a click. Install the hose weight just above the start of the loop, below the locator mark. Turn on the water, then turn it on to clear any debris in the line. I apologize, but I didn't actually film that part. Remove the protective cap from the spray wand, then thread it into the pull-down hose, and finally use the pliers to tighten it. Turn it on, test the faucet, and check for leaks at all the connection points, and we're done. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.